Maxine at Fabricland. In our shops and online this week, you've all been asking about masks, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to make an easy mask. So what I've done is to cut a piece of fabric 30 centimetres by 25 centimetres and a piece of interfacing. Okay, that's the sort of stuff they use in collars and cuffs. Okay, and then what you need to do is just to do 3 pleats and pin it. Okay, so eventually you will end up with this. Okay, 3 pleats. Okay, either side. I've just pressed it to get the pleats to lay flat. Okay, and then you're going to machine stitch at the bottom. Okay, and then at the top I've used a pipe cleaner to make it so it goes along the bridge of your nose. Please don't use your best dressmaking scissors to cut the wire piece. Okay, and then you're going to put that in and stitch over the top. Okay, please don't stitch on the pipe cleaner. Okay, so then you're going to end up with it stitched both sides. Okay, the pleats are held in place, and now I'm just going to fold over and do the last bit of stitching on this one. Okay, this is quite simple and easy to do. Okay, just stitching the last piece on, and then with a safety pin attached to your elastic, you can just feed it through your casing, and obviously you're doing this both sides. Okay, and then to the required length to go round your ears. Obviously everyone's different. I've just knotted the elastic. Okay, and you can just feed this inside so it looks tidy, and that will just pop inside, she says. Oh, okay, and then you can pop it on with your pipe cleaner. Okay, and it covers your nose as well as your face. So that's how to make a quick face mask. Lots of prints on our website. You can funk it up, maybe match them to your outfit. Come and have a go.